Hi, this is Rene Sagaran, pioneer member and choreographer of The Maneuvers and former dancer choreographer of Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V. Welcome to RAS TV! Okay mga kasisiw, pag-usapan naman natin yung manok natin na si Ken. No, so recently, kaya nga hindi pala siya naka-attend ng 10th Wish Music Awards kasi nagkasakit siya after nung 2 nights event sa Japan. Okay, so thank you sa lahat ng nag-comment dun sa video ko na SB19 Hakot Kings. Kasi nagtanong ako doon kung ano yung reason kung bakit hindi naka-attend si Pablo and si Ken. So yun, maraming salamat sa mga sumagot, no. So ito na nga yung dunk event. Ibig sabihin ng dunk is Dance Universe Never Killed. That was held last January 12 and 13, 2025 at K Arena in Yokohama, Japan with a capacity of 20,000 people. So napakalaki nung venue, no? Yung dunk event is a large-scale music project that aims to connect artists from Japan with the world. The event featured performances by Psychic Fever and SB19's member, Philip. So yung Philip kasi yung stage name ni Ken. So yung dunk event is a prestigious hip-hop dance competition showcasing the best crews in Japan. So yan, nagbabattle sila dyan, no? So Ken was the first Filipino artist who was invited to perform in dunk event. He was invited by one of Japan's iconic rapper, singer, dancer, and songwriter, si Sky High. And syempre, yung mga ibang rappers na napanood din siya. Kasi last year, nagkaroon ng concert si Ken sa Tokyo, Japan. That was last September 2, 2024. Yung concert was part of his Seven Sins, the album concert tour. So malamang napanood nila, mag-perform si Ken and na-amaze sila. Siyempre sa talent niya, sobrang galing, no? Unique yung voice, magaling mag-rap, magaling sumayaw, malupit yung character, yung forma, and whole package talaga, no? Magaling na artist talaga si Ken. So during dun sa parang interview kay Ken, kasama niya yung mga ibang rappers. Sabi nga ni Ken, it's a massive show and one of the biggest stages I've performed. So sabi pa nga niya, kinakabahan siya talaga. And yung first night was his birthday, January 12 yun. He turned 28 years old. So napaka-gandang regalo nun, no? Para kay Ken. Actually, bawal mag-video and mag-photo during the concert. Pero syempre, may mga lumulusot pa rin kaya nakakuha tayo ng mga videos.
Thank you so much for appreciating. Like, you know, it's my first time here and it's not really like our fans also, and it's like a new crowd to me, so that's why I was really nervous. I thought I was really used to, you know, perform in a lot of people, like 70,000 people, but right now I really felt so nervous. It was so nerve-wracking, like, oh wow, what am I gonna do today? But I'll just like think of like, you know, I'm gonna do my best today.
いや、いいね。なんかみんなかまし合ってみんな緊張し合ってるのめっちゃいい。
And yun nga, yung rap collaboration nila, showcase ni Ken yung Visayan dialect. So kaya very proud ang mga Bisaya, no? And syempre, tayong mga Pinoy, very proud of him. Actually, my dad is Ilonggo. Kaya may lahi din akong Bisaya. And syempre, malaking break to and opportunity for Ken as a solo artist. And syempre, nire-represent niya yung bansa natin, no? Yung Philippines, plus OPM and P-pop artists. So talagang nakaka-proud si Ken, no? And nakakatuwa kasi syempre bihira yung mga artist na ganyan na hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas sumisikat, kundi sa iba-ibang bansa. So yung mga 18 na nakapanood sa Yokohama, no, sa K Arena, yan, kindly comment down below naman kung ano yung experience nyo. So meron pala ako nakuhang video, no? Last year to, kinunan si Ken ng isang Hapon, nasa Tokyo siya, nasa kalye, and let's watch this.
My name is Philippe. I'm an artist from the Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah, music artist. I'm a rapper.
Rapper.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice to meet you. I'm Ichi. Oh yeah.
Micha ga koi.
Oh nice. Wow.
めっちゃかっこいい。
めっちゃかっこいい. So very cool. Eh?
Yeah.
What's so your strong point of today's fashion coordinate?
Yeah, so this was given to me by my fans.
Your fan present?
Yeah, fan
Yeah.
present.
Well, set up.
Yeah, the whole one. But this is from Balenciaga.
I know. Back with the what?
Balenciaga also.
Oh, nice, cool. What do you like the brand? So do you like the Balenciaga and so any
I
brand?
like
Yeah.
Chrome Hearts, Mason Margiela,
Margiela, yeah.
Margiela, and Yasuhiro.
Yeah, Yasuhiro, Mihara Yasuhiro.
Mihara,
Yeah.
And what more?
Oh, many.
Yeah,
Nice,
I like a lot of brands. Yeah.
And so I like that. So your hairstyle so very cool. Show
Thank
me
you so
that
much.
on my. Yeah, cool. Cool
Thank you so
brand
much.
or red
Thank
color. Nice color.
Thank you.
So.
ありがとうございます。
すいません、今日は very thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This was an honor. Bye bye, guys.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hope to see you on my next video. God bless you all. Peace.